Okay, I want to go over how you'll be doing group work. And I know it sounds crazy that you're in an online class, so how can we do group work? It is easily done. And even though you're working in groups, you still don't physically have to meet or see each other. So when a group assignment is given, and there's one given on week 2, you're going to go here. And I would suggest that you do this week 1. Because when you log in, I'm going to randomly put the class in groups, okay? There will not be more than 5 people in a group. So when you log into Blackboard, you'll see, you can click on group work, and you will see just the group that you are enrolled in. And this is looking at it from the instructor side. So currently, there are 2 groups. So when you log in and you click group work, it will just be the group that you're in. So let's click group 1. And of course, these are made up students, Jane Doe and John Doe. So these are all of the tools that are available to you in your group section. Okay, you have collaboration. And this is where you can go in to do office hours. You can do a virtual classroom. Okay. Let's go back. Group file exchange. And group file exchange is where I can send just the group some information. Or if I'm critiquing something, a paper or something that your group has turned in, this can be done through group file exchange. If you want to send a document to just the individuals in your group, this can be done through group file exchange, and it is stored. And it's the same way that you would send an email attachment. You will add the file. Has to have a name for the file. Basically, browse computer. Locate that document, attach it, hit submit. Okay. Now let me tell you something about this file exchange. Notice you see here delete. If you click delete, it deletes the document from everyone in the group. Okay? So if it's something that the whole group needs, do not delete it. Okay? So it doesn't delete just from your Blackboard login. It deletes it from the whole group because all of this is linked together. The people in the group. Okay? So it's moving really, really slow. Expedite this. So your group blog, you have a blog that you're going to do. So when your group has to do a blog, you'll click group blog. For week 1, you have to introduce yourself to your group. So this is your group discussion board. And with the group discussion board, it's just the 5 people in the group. It's not the whole class. So now you become a small, intimate class within a larger class setting. Okay? Any tasks that you have done need to be done, you set it up as a group here. Your group wiki, which that is your big project that you will be doing this semester, and the instructions on that are in the week that is assigned. And then you can send email just to the individuals in the group. Okay, so it's set up exactly like the other Blackboard email, but it's just the individuals in the group. So here's the first group assignment, which is week 2. So here it is. So you'll click on it. This is also located in week 1 weekly activities or assignments. So it's in both places. And it goes through detail of what you're going to have to do and so forth. And never write in your submission. You want to browse your computer and upload it, and it comes to me. And when you submit it, everyone who is in that group is going to dump it into each of your grade books. When I grade it, then that same once I put the grade in once, it goes to everyone's grade book. Now with this, I don't need for all 5 people to submit the document. That's when, again, it comes to that group discussion. That's another assignment for that week. Let's go back to groups. I only need 1 person in the group. So again, part of the instructions, every time I give a group assignment, I tell you to start organizing this assignment through your group discussion board. So that's one of the things that you need to discuss. And the responsibility needs to be rotated throughout the group. Okay, there are 5 people in the group, so everyone needs to submit, but you're going to put it together as a group, and then you're just going to have that person to save it and then upload it for the whole group. Hopefully that makes sense. It's pretty simple. Don't get all upset like, oh, we got to meet on campus, I got to see them, we got to coordinate days and times. No, this is a virtual space. You're still in a virtual space. You're going to do everything within this space.